What's up guys, MG here, back with another video. A new just came out and I was doing my stuff to get gems. Some people may know it, but I didn't. It was on when I got 30 gems, then there were no video offers me, no blah blah blah. That's kinda funny. New epic, he looks like a beast, but I'm gonna open one later. This is, you don't see him in when all the armors come, you don't see the film. So let's do now the shit worm first, the butt worm. Really hope to get an epic. That will be so great. I don't think so, but sometimes you need to give it a try, and it will be just amazing. But I think I get a super rare. Oh. Oh, that's like 1 HP. I wanna do the chest. Let's do it. Let's get me an epic. Man, that sucks. I don't know what I'm doing. Just for lols. Lols. Again? Damn it. Damn it, I was hoping for an epic. Now, last time I got an epic. And, oh. That's, what the fuck, it almost strong like hell. Last time I got an epic and a legendary, so that's why. What the hell? It was like 5 times freaking miss. Ooh, spotting pedigree, I wanted all so bad. What the hell, why am I losing so bad? Oh my god, I'm so tired. I forgot that I was making a video. Oh my god. What the hell? That's weird. But Guild War tomorrow. So excited for it. Yeah. The rewards are not great, so they suck. They suck. Just one more time, the epic, amazing. We want to get epic, we're not gem spenders. Just, we probably get this one fusion boost, nice for an epic. I want a wolf, Dark Prinsky sucks. If we get plus version, that will be better, but yeah. I want to spend keys, I don't know why. Oh, we got one enhanced. Oh, first time I got legendary parts. Fusion stone. Oh my god. Not even one gem. Said some Sandstorm chest my butt. Terrible. Terrible chest. Maybe I can buy later another chest. The arena. It's about 4 days the chest. The arena and stuff. Rewards. I think I can. My gold master. He has no epic, but he is really strong. My epic is really strong, holy shit. Oh nice, we can do one more time. I'm gonna try to get this award. It will be great if we can get a plus version. I never tried to get a plus version because I was thinking, no, I never gonna get it, but it will be amazing if I can get it without spending gems, because I can get plus rewards of, well, of the boss brawls, so that will be great, because then you get a lot of keys and plus version armors. And a friend of I talked about, we hope that an epic boss is coming out with star metal or something, I don't know how to call it. Either calexcopic, red calexcopic or something. That armor is like an epic boss armor that comes soon. That will be awesome if that happen. If that will happen. First day and I have almost 21. That's good, if you ask me. That's really it. I can't combine, I'm bored. I can combine those, but I won't do it. All legendary to combine. Can't combine those. Yeah, those were it. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, give it a like, comment, and see you guys later.